Welcome back, Kryptonians, to the Chart Experts continuing coverage of Bitcoin and the crypto charts. I hope you're well, healthy, and I hope you're enjoying this market. So, following on from the last video, we did see the expected profit taking occur at 40,000 ish. But what is more interesting, really, from a market structure point of view, is the fact that profit taking was not substantial. Okay. Um, Now you may be thinking, okay, well, so what? It's very important in terms of that particular so what. Um, so if you are new to technical analysis, and if you're interested in Elliott wave analysis or Wyckoff analysis or um, GAN analysis and all and price action analysis, um, you will be looking at this market and you may not fully appreciate um, what's going on here. So I'm just going to give you a very quick taster in terms of um, the actual picture as we see it. Okay. Now I can rabbit on for hours, so if I do that, I apologize. There is so much to talk about, um, but I'm not going to. Well, basically, the market, if you want the long and short of it, is too bullish. Okay, it's a problem when the market is too bullish, and I'll try to explain why. So most of the accumulation in this market occurred under that 10,000 level. Okay, so we saw that accumulation occur. The 20,000 high was a little less important. Even that 14,000 high, less important, I would say. Most of the accumulation occurred sub 10,000. Okay, so we have these whales, people with very deep pockets, people able to move markets. They were accumulating underneath that 10,000 level. So now you may be looking at this and thinking, okay, from an Elliott wave point of view, that's a wave too. Okay, and we did see an impulse and a correction, a three wave move. So yes, that qualifies as a wave two. Okay, wonderful. So now you may be expecting a wave three going upwards. Okay, and yes, we're seeing wave three moving upwards. But we really saw this market change character at that point there. So it was roughly around 9,000 when the whales decided, okay, we have stopped accumulating at this level, and we will allow the market to move higher. So they will buy a little, move the market higher, buy again and move the market higher, buy again at the resistance level of 14,000, move the market higher, and buy again at 20,000 to move the market higher. Okay, so now the market is riding higher. These guys are ready to take profits. Okay, now people who trade trends, and there are whales who trade trends as well, they will be looking at this market and saying, okay, we want a deep pullback in which to make entry. Okay, to make our entry with a decent pullback. Where is it? It's not here. Yes, this was a pullback of sorts, 42,000 down to 29,000, but it didn't spend much time here, not very deep. Okay, and the market has moved higher still. So this is not really an area where a institutions these type of institutions who trade trends can make an entry into this market with size. Okay, so they're looking and they're thinking, okay, right, well, let's buy this market, and when it pulls back further, we'll buy again, buy again, buy again, and that's their wave two. That's their accumulation period. That's not happened. The market has moved higher still. Okay, now when you try to analyze this particular wave structure from an Elliott wave point of view, um, really all it says is that this market is likely to move higher, because um, this is unlikely to be a wave five. It's unlikely to be a wave three, um, because this wave is actually longer. Okay, um, it doesn't really matter where you begin it from here or from here. Um, so, so the long and short of it is that these guys have not yet taken most of their money out of the market. Okay, all they're doing is saying, okay, right, well, we're not ready yet. We're not ready yet. Are they going to be ready when we are at 70,000? Okay, maybe. But so far, even though they are up by a huge margin, for some reason they are saying, well, we're not selling yet. Okay, until they don't sell, nobody else can enter the market. And now that we're in a wave three moving higher, and this particular um, pullback is really not enough, um, this would be soaked up very quickly, even by, well, let's not speculate about that. Traders, medium-sized, millionaires, so on. It's not really that important, but this is not really enough of a pullback for large size institutions to make their entry. They don't really like buying highs, and this in a way is a high. So they will be looking for a way to enter the market. And right now, all they're being told is, we're not ready yet. The big whales, the people who hold for years, are not ready to sell. They haven't sold most of it, well, a large chunk of their positions. They haven't sold again. We're not seeing supply come into the market yet. In fact, we're seeing supply go down. Okay, um, so that's where we are right now. We are expecting this market to continue to move higher, because these guys are not yet willing to sell. Okay, they are not ready to take their profits yet. There will come a time higher up where they will need to show their stakeholders, okay, we've booked profits, look how wonderful we are. Okay, we've made billions again, um, but right now this price is not enough for them, and as yet we are not seeing evidence that other institutions have yet um, put their foot in the market. Okay, now they will be possibly waiting for something at higher level, to, and then for the market to pull back down again, and for them to enter somewhere along here. Okay, um, it may be, for example, sub 50k. Um, so the market right now is looking to move higher, and we need those higher prices to encourage these whales to sell. Okay, and for the market to make a substantial pullback. But right now, they're not ready to do that. Okay, the market, the price structure is telling us that they are not yet ready to take profits. Okay, so they are waiting for higher prices, and with them, we wait also. Okay, I hope this has been helpful to you. If you want targets and that type of thing, please join me on my Patreon channel, where I like to keep you more regularly updated with charts and so on. Um, hey, this is Asim at the Chart Experts, wishing you every success. Take care of yourself and your crypto, and like and subscribe, and join me on Patreon. Till next time, bye bye. For more expert Elliott wave analysis and profit target opportunities on your favorite cryptos, go to the home of technical analysis, patreon.com/chart experts right now.